Annuities are financial contracts designed to provide steady income during retirement. Let us break down how these insurance products actually work. At its core, an annuity is a contract between you and an insurance company to manage your money for future payouts. When you purchase an annuity, you are essentially trading a lump sum or series of payments for a guaranteed stream of future income. Annuities come in various flavors. Some offer fixed interest, while others fluctuate based on market performance, but all offer tax-deferred growth. People often compare annuities to Social Security, but remember that annuities are private contracts, while Social Security is a public government program. You can start receiving payments immediately after a lump sum investment, or defer them for years to let your balance grow larger. The primary goal for many who hold annuities is peace of mind and income security rather than aggressive growth. Always review the fees and surrender charges before signing a contract. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more finance basics.